Guys are having a good day. Welcome to my channel. I want to show you my bias on Bitcoin data. That's Bitcoin USD. Here is the chart. Um, for the purpose of this, I want to remove my moving average. I want to use a plain chart to show you my view. I will start from having showing you the long-term view of the market. So we go to 1 month first. For 1 month, as you can see, price pause here at this level. Price has paused and it created a false breakout. This market has been moving up for the past years since 2020. Throughout it was bullish, and this week here is being respected. So a fake art has been created at this week level, and also a consolidation. So if price retests this level again, there is high chance that the price will go up at least towards 37 to 40,000 price level for Bitcoin. So but let's go on and see how we can appropriately time this market, because buyers are gradually stepping in. Let's go to weekly time frame. At the weekly time frame, I want to do two things. On my monthly level, I have marked the consolidation level, and a fake art has been created, and I'm looking towards a retest of that level. On my weekly chart, I'm going to draw my trend line. I'm going to draw my trend line. I want to see when the trend is going to change from bearish to bullish. So here is my trend line. It's a preliminary trend line. It has two touches. Here the trend line has been broken. As you can see, this weekly trend line has been broken. So what do I have to look out for? I want to look out for a retest of this level, a retest of the support where price pause, where the fake art has been created. That's first breakout. That's where I will be looking out for. And if you look out for a behavior, there is a behavior here. Sellers want to continue pushing price down, but they didn't. Then price reversed. On the weekly perspective, this trend is changing because the trend line has been broken. I'm not saying that there is no chance that the trend will continue going down, but there is a likelihood of the trend going up. So what do I have to look at for? So we look at for a chart pattern. I'm going to mark this level. If price touch here again, I mean this level here, If happens to come back to this level, I'll be expecting price to go up and break out of this level and break at this level, because this will create a head and shoulder at this level. It will create a head and shoulder. Here is the shoulder, the left shoulder. Here is the head. Then here will be the right shoulder. So I'm anticipating that the chart pattern will be created here, but I'll be looking at for price to break out this level. If price break out this level and then pulls back to this range, then it will be valid to take a trade, a long-term trade, maybe at 23,000 or 22,000 or 21,000. So, but one important thing I want to point out here is that there is a psychological number that prices tend to be respecting. The 20,000 psychological number, the 20,000 psychological number. Let me mark it very well. Let me mark it very well. If you look at this, you will see that this 20,000 level has been acting as support. Buyers are willing to be stepping in at this price because they find value at this price. Some people may be thinking that, okay, Bitcoin may break down to 10,000, but the institution are a very wide step ahead of the retail traders and small traders. They know that most traders will be looking for price to drop towards 10,000, and they are likely to stop it and push it up before going down again. Maybe the future will tell. But currently, this 20,000 level is being respected. So I want to go a step down to the daily chart and 4-hour charts because I'm just sharing my view on this trade. So going down to the daily charts, what is the daily chart doing? Testing the 20,000 level, it has formed an engulfing at that 20,000 level on the daily charts, and it has also formed a how many wave? One, two. Here is a two wave. Buyers tried to push the price up, they failed. They tried again, they failed. Now price is here. Buyers will be willing to at least push price to this level, then come back to this 20,000 level, then continue. Maybe we are anticipating the future, or that we can tell what the future will look like. So, but currently, what we see here is that buyers are stepping in at this 20,000 price level, which is a very psychological price level. So, let me step in and give you some view for those who would like to buy Bitcoin for a short term hold, maybe buy it at 20,000, then looking to cover at 25 or 30,000. Let me show you what I may be thinking for the short term buyers. So here we have a trend, a downtrend. So what do? We'll look for a trend line break. Mark our trend line on the 4-hour. Let me check whether I'm getting the point I need. Mark our trend line. That is our trend line. So I'll be looking out for price to break this trend line, for anything to happen, for the bullish continuation to happen. Though price is as a psychological number, yes, but you need a confirmation. A confirmation. You need to see that price has changed from downtrend to uptrend before you take a long position. So currently, buyers are stopping the market, trying to push market higher, but most buyers be bearish, will still be bearish. So you wait for the trend line to be broken. Let me go back to the daily chart again and mark the level where most traders will be looking to close their position. Here is where most traders will be looking to close their position at this level. If price exceed this level, if price exceed this zone, then push back into it. It will create a valid short-term buy trade within the zone of 22,300 to 21,350. It may create a nice place to take a long position. It may create a nice level to take a long position. This is the level where a lot of sellers entered on this chart, on this daily chart, and pushed the market further. So if price closes above this line, this 21,825, I think it will be valid for most traders to start looking for long trades. So let me go back to the 4-hour chart and conclude. So looking at the current state of the market, we can see that buyers are gradually entering, accumulating their position, forming a rising wedge. They are accumulating their position. It will be valid to look out for false breakouts and for price to break out. Once you get a false breakout, okay, you will say okay, price is likely to break out its trend line. So you wait for the trend line to be broken, then you start looking for long opportunity. Once the trend line is broken, once the 4-hour trend line is broken, so that is where a valid short term long. Maybe if you buy at 21 or 22, then you look to go to 25 to 30. Alright guys, I would like to state this is not a financial advice. This is my own thoughts on the direction of Bitcoin. The ones I use, the monthly and the weekly charts, is the likely long-term trade. The one I use, the daily and the 4-hourly charts, is the likely short-term trade. So it's up to you. Everyone have the way they see the market and the way they would like to trade it. but I will advise that you wait for confirmation. Confirmation will tell you what to do and what not to do. So how do you create a confirmation? You have to create rules you must follow to initiate your trade. Once the rules are met, then you start looking for entry levels and entry trigger. So that's it, guy. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching.